We should now call upon our Hifz students, and this is the final program wherein we will now the teachers will tie their turbans and honor them by them graduating as Huffaz. So first and foremost, we would like to call the Asatiza of the Hifz department to please come up on stage, inshallah, to get ready for the Dastar Bandi. Hazrat Maulana Abul Khair Sahab, Maulana Bilal Sahab, Maulana Saiful Islam Sahab, Maulana Muslim Sahab, Sheikh Abu Bakr, Maulana Nasir Sahab, Maulana Shamsul Rahman Sahab, Maulana Shihabuddin Sahab, Maulana Najuddin Sahab, Sheikh Yahya, Sheikh Mahfouz. فَلْيَتَفَضَّلُوا مَشْكُورًا. Please come up on stage, inshallah. And and we will be honoring the students of the Hifz. So students, be ready, inshallah. You guys will go this way, inshallah, right? Hifz students, ready? First, we would like to call Hafiz Rifatuddin, who studied by Sheikh Abu Bakr, the son of Jamaluddin. May Allah Ta'ala accept. Everyone say Ameen. Next, Hafiz Jabir Khan, who studied under Maulana Saiful Islam, the son of Shamim Khan. May Allah Ta'ala accept. Everyone say Ameen. Next, we have Hafiz Mahmoodul Hassan Talikdar, who studied under Maulana Saiful Islam Sahab, the son of Kamrul Hassan, who finished with only 8 mistakes. May Allah Ta'ala accept. Everyone say Ameen. Next, we have Hafiz Mu'min bin Asaduz Zaman, the student of Maulana Abul Khair Sahab, the son of Muhammad Asaduz Zaman. May Allah Ta'ala accept. Everyone say Ameen. Next, we have Hafiz Shu'aibur Rahman. I'd like to ask Maulana Sayyidur Rahman to come up on stage, inshallah. Maulana Sayyidur Rahman, the father of Hafiz Shu'aibur Rahman, the student of Maulana Abul Khair Sahab. He completed his Hifz with only 5 mistakes. Takbir. MashaAllah. Next, we have Hafiz Ariful Islam, who studied by Maulana Shamsul Rahman Sahab. Next, we have our Uzbeki Hafiz, Hafiz Muhammad Bobirovich Usmanov, who studied by Maulana Bilal and the son of Muhammad Bobir Usmanov with only 6 mistakes. Takbir. Allah Ta'ala accept, inshallah. And finally, we have Hafiz Muttaqiullah Chaudhry, who studied by Maulana Nasiruddin Sahab, the son of Mukarram Chaudhry. May Allah Ta'ala accept. Everyone say Ameen. This is done, this is done, this is done. Dora. That's it. May Allah Ta'ala accept the Asatiza, the parents, Darul Ulum. Everyone say Ameen. Next, inshallah, we have the Dora Hadith students, and we'd like to honor the Asatiza.